Hello YouTube, it is G-Force and we are in the toy room today for yet another unboxing. That's right, you guys know I'm running out of space in this room, so boxes they gotta kind of go? I don't know. I'm not so opposed to opening boxes of Marvel Legends, G.I. Joes, Star Wars Black Series, that type of stuff. Generally, it depends on the figure with me. Some I just like the presentation in the box better than others, but let's take a look at them and see who we're getting into today. Okay, so here we have the Love and Thunder Thor King Valkyrie, Groot, and the Multiverse of Madness Defender Strange. So we're going to get these guys out of the boxes. First, let's take a quick look. King Valkyrie comes with Korg's head and club. Her sword. She's got a cape on her. Some artwork on the back. Your blurb if you want to read that. Here are the others in the wave. When I found them, they had all but Ravager Thor there. I'm not really huge into this wave, but it's good. I don't know. So that is King Valkyrie. Here we have Groot. Comes with what looks like a blaster for Rocket, so maybe we'll see him in the future. Some arms, a different hand, Korg's body. Artwork on the side. His blurb, I am Groot. The rest of the figures in the wave. More artwork. And Defender Strange. So, comes with the portal. 2 extra hands. Artwork on the side. Here's your blurb. Artwork on the back. So yeah, let's get into them. Okay, so here they are out of the box. Let's start with King Valkyrie. She's got a very nice face sculpt, good braid details. Got a cape that does peg into the back. Arms will go all the way around. Pinless double jointed elbows. On her right wrist, it's a vertical hinge. Spins around. No butterfly joints. Bicep swivel. Head doesn't look back very well. Not at all, hardly. Looks down a bunch. Got good tilt. As far as the ab, she's got a nice ball joint, hula hoops, good twists, but no waist twist. Legs will kick up that far. Pinless double jointed knees, but she can't kick her own butt. She got a stationary dagger, doesn't come out. As far as ankles, go up that far, point down good ways, and you got your rocker. So on her left arm, same thing, bicep swivels, same articulation in the shoulder, just a horizontal hinge for the hand. As far as the paintwork, I like the black and white. Good detail here on her symbol on her chest. Nice little rubberized pieces so they'll move out of your way if you're posing her. Cape is that soft rubbery plastic, but I don't know if you can see it in there. There's a peg. She does have some blue braids in her hair too. So, yeah, I think she's a pretty cool figure. She comes with Korg's weapon, the club, Korg's head. Doesn't look much different than the other one. And her sword, which has some nice color, good detail. Let's see if we can't get her to grab it. See, and the cape is going to either be a tripod or it's going to get in the way. So that is King Valkyrie. Doctor Strange. He comes with his 2 spell hands. He's got a nice little gray throughout his ponytail. Does have the plastic goods. Well, rubbery, but not very. Doesn't get out of the way very well. He's got single jointed knees, I believe. No, they're double. But the skirt, comma, whatever you want to call it, gets in the way. Has a thigh swivel. So does King Valkyrie. I left that out. Got knee swivel. Foot goes up. Okay, so for whatever reason, I think that clip cut off. But yeah, he's a good figure. He's got basic articulation. The skirt goods, or whatever you want to call them, kind of get in the way. But it's good Doctor Strange. Got the portal, which is what everybody wants. We do have a grip hand and a fist for him. And that's all that comes in that deluxe box. Anyway, I don't think we got any of Groot. His head is crazy. Looks down a ton. Looks up a lot. He's got some sprouts growing out of his head. Lots of motion in there. Single joints everywhere on this figure. His arm will raise that high. His elbow will bend just about 90, and he's got horizontal hinges on his wrists. No thigh cuts, no bicep cuts, single jointed knees, so he'll get about 90 on those. His feet have crazy rockers to them, and the detents for the swivel will let him go back a long ways and go forward pretty far too. So yeah, he's a pretty decent figure for being all single jointed. He's got a little hula hoop in him too. But oh, there goes his hand. Well, let's take that opportunity. Comes with one of the spikier looking hands, so you can get him doing that. Comes with one of the flowy type hands. They all got vines and stuff on them. And he comes with a grip hand. Also comes with this blaster. Let's see if we can't get that in his hand. Got these little tiny ass fingers. Come on, get in there. Yeah, so for whatever reason, my phone doesn't want me recording today. Here's Korg with his head on. Like I said, probably not going to build him. Got Groot back here holding the rifle. All his accessories. So yeah, that's going to do it for today. Before the phone cuts out on me again, I'm going to call it a victory. Thank you guys for coming along. If you're new here, please be sure to hit the like and the subscribe buttons. Always helps the channel out. Best of luck to you all on your next toy hunt. Be nice to each other. Take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.